come rain or shine.
Come on, Clyde. Just try and get this one. Wow, Clyde, that was amazing. Oof, that was a close one.
Whoa!
Ooh. Are you okay,
Are you
Clyde?
okay, Clyde?
Sorry, Luna.
It's okay. No big deal. At least nobody got hurt. Not even my dad. Yay! A message.
It's Alice.
Hi, Luna. Hi, Jupiter. Hi, Clyde. Luna, do you think that you can help me? I'm so excited about my birthday picnic. Can you help, Luna? Too bad you guys can't come.
Yeah, too bad.
It's going to be here in my yard, and well, since you guys are up there on the space station, I thought, I wonder if they can see if it's going to rain. My mom said the weather forecast says there's a 50% chance of rain. So we really don't know, and it can't rain on Sunday or bye-bye picnic. Can you help, Luna? Can you please? Mwah!
Bye-bye, Alice's birthday.
Don't worry, Jupiter. We'll find a way to go to Alice's birthday party. And I even already have an idea.
But only if it doesn't rain, because if it rains, there won't be any party.
Don't worry, Jupiter. There will be a party. I'm sure it won't rain. I mean, I don't actually know how weather forecasts work.
Oh, but if you don't know about weather forecasts, then how are you going to find out if it's going to rain or not on Alice's birthday?
Let me think. I don't know. I mean, I still don't know, but I've just gotta know. How do they know if it's going to rain? How do weather forecasts work?
What's happening here? What can it mean? This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. What's happening here? Let's figure it out. I just gotta know what this is all about.
I thought you were going to get the balloon, Jupiter.
No, I thought Clyde was gonna get it.
Now, enough playing around. We have a mission to complete.
Find out if it's going to rain Sunday?
That's right. Come on, let's find out about weather forecasts and do it fast.
What if we sent Earth a message and asked if she's going to rain on Sunday?
Well, it's not Earth that rains, Jupiter. It's the clouds.
We could ask the clouds.
Elementary, my dear science Jupiter. The clouds are really important for this investigation. Let's take a look. We just need to look for any rain clouds near Alice's house. Although,
What?
even if we can see the clouds, we don't know where Alice's house is. Do you think it's over that way? Or over there?
I only know how to get there by bike.
I was just thinking, even if we could see the clouds close to Alice's house, how would we know that they were rain clouds? If they would stay there? I don't know. Not to mention the new clouds could appear.
There has to be a way to find out if weather forecasts can do it. I know! It's like this. A rocket ship flies over by the clouds until they stop somewhere. And then the rocket can warn and hang on. It just needed him to tell everyone where the clouds stopped.
You think that they fly around the clouds sending the messages to the TV and radio stations?
Yeah, it has to be. But it also may not be.
Clyde, you've just given me an idea. Who needs a rocket when we can get even closer to the clouds pretending we're
What?
balloons? They can float up to the sky and right to the clouds near Earth. Then we can find out for sure whether there's any rain clouds by Alice's house.
We're balloons!
And we're all the same size. It's fun being a balloon.
Balloons? We're not just any balloons. We're meteorological balloons.
Meteorological balloons? That's funny.
No, Jupiter. It's meteorological.
Oh, no. Neither one of you guys. It's meteorological balloon. Right, Miss Balloon?
Yeah, that's right.
And we were wanting to find out how weather forecasts work. We could have just asked my balloon.
My balloon.
Oops.
Huh?
Sorry about that. Those gusts of wind really can take us all over the place.
Gust of wind?
Wind!
Hey, why am I shaking?
You must be hungry. I shook a little when I saw a cloud shaped like a ferret snack. It looked delicious.
Oh, you guys are funny. You're not shaking because you're hungry. You're just transmitting the radio song signals.
A radio? Yay! Can I play a song? But where is this radio?
I think it's that thing hanging from our balloon.
Exactly. But it doesn't transmit music. No, it transmits important information about how things are here in the atmosphere, like temperature, humidity, wind direction, things like that.
Speaking of wind, quite the agitated atmosphere, huh, friends? A lot of work around here today. I'm getting tired.
Somebody stop this rain, please. Yay. Bye-bye, rain.
Hello, snow.
Snow?
Luna, I'm cold.
Time for transmission, everybody.
Transmitting.
We're going to transmit the information now? This is the best experience ever!
Let's go. It's time for the show. Let's go now. We're gonna transmit all the info here that we get. So let them all fly, yes, let them all fly to warn that the rain is coming. So let them all fly, yes, let them all fly to warn that the rain is coming. There is rain that's coming. Rah, rah, rain, light or strong, how will it be? So will it bring cold days with it too? Days cold enough that it'll make it snow. Pressure, altitude, temperature, yeah. Altitude, pressure, altitude, temperature, yeah. Altitude. Oh, let's go. It's time for the show. Let's go now. We're gonna transmit all the info here that we get. There is rain that's coming. Rah, rah, rain, light or strong, how will it be?
So that's it! Weather balloons, satellites, and stations on Earth collect the information and send it
To a bunch of computers that calculate all the information and turn it into the weather forecast.
Oh! Miss Balloon, is there any way to find out if it's going to rain on Sunday at Alice's house? Sun, Alice! Lots of sun!
And no rain.
We found out how weather forecasts are done. And the closer the day it gets, the better chance the weather forecast will be right, you know?
And since your birthday is the day after tomorrow,
I can already tell that it's going to be a lovely sunny day, Alice. Mwah!
Happy
birthday, Alice.
Too bad we aren't on Earth. It would be so fun to go to Alice's picnic.
But there is a way we can go. Remember, I had an idea? Who wants to hear it? Raise your hand. Mom, Dad, our show is about to begin. Everyone ready? Oh, let's go. It's time for the show, so let's go. We're gonna transmit all the info here that we get. So let them all fly, yes, let them all fly to warn that the rain is coming. So let them all fly, yes, let them all fly to warn that the rain is coming. There is rain coming, row, row, rain. Light or strong, how will it be? So will it bring cold days with it too? Cold enough to make it snow. Pressure, altitude, temperature. Pressure, altitude, temperature. Oh, let's go. It's time for the show, so let's go. We're gonna transmit all the info here that we get. There is rain coming, row, row, rain. Light or strong, how will it be?
Yay, I loved it. That was really great. Yay!
Dad, can we record now?
Sure.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alice, Alice,
Hey, let me just help you cut and eat this cake, huh? Wouldn't you want some wind to come along and carry you away along with the cake?
There's no wind on the space station, Dad. Although, I wonder if it's possible to fly off with balloons. Are there any animals that fly with the wind? Does the wind carry butterflies off? Oh, so many questions!